but I think my team are pretty accommodating of it, to be honest. I think at other places I might have to keep a lid on it a bit better than I do, but this year I am going to make a specific effort to try and be a bit more.
His team, I think they've been missing those two players that I just mentioned, and Zaha's gone. Where are you expecting to finish this season?
Yeah, and I always think with Crystal Palace, when fans get to the point of frustration, like we saw.
Okay, guys. Something's about to go down. Kind of unnecessary that was. He almost had an accident, isn't he?
Yeah.
Can you imagine if there was a police officer in any scenario?
Poll after poll after poll, when you ask people what their top 5 concerns are, it isn't the boats. Yeah.
No. I think it's all a distraction. I think it's like, it takes me back to Brexit. You know, I think it's on a super tax, and there's one country that
Must be the
no.
Prime Minister, isn't he?
Yes.
Finally, it's gone away.
Take the next left onto Bathgate Road.
Come on, man. Somalia.
He's already jumping there.